Oh, there you are.
Hi. What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name? Hello.
Who are you?
My ear. Can you see my?
No.
Can you see my face?
No.
My ear. Did you see my face? I hanged up.
Hey, woman, I see you.
Stop doing it. Hang up.
Is that what the bumper does?
Yeah. It bumps.
It bumps.
Yep.
That's true. And you weren't in our video yesterday. Where were you?
I was taking a long nap.
Why were you taking a nap?
I fell asleep.
You were just tired?
Yeah.
All right, after this truck goes by, you can go. All right, there you go.
It was getting ready.
Bye. The one thing I don't like about our neighborhood is that the sidewalks are on the opposite side of the street. What?
I'm looking and see if there are some cars.
That's good. You gotta look both ways, right?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna go on the road.
Oh, no, you're not.
Yes, I
No,
am.
we don't just go on the road for fun.
Okay.
Do you want to show me something or something? You don't know?
I want to show them that I can go super fast.
All right, well, wait for those people to walk by and then you can go. All right, go ahead. There she goes.
Charlie, no.
You have to wait until the next one because that was way fast. Waiting right here on my car then. I'm gonna
Why are you doing that?
because I left it. I turned it on. I went,
Okay. You want to ride your tricycle?
my balance one.
No, your tricycle.
Where?
Out there?
With Mommy and Sissy and you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Of course. Go.
I'm ready, Grace. Watch out for Layton.
What's out?
Don't hit each other. That is scary.
Slow down, Graceland May. She's crazy, isn't she, Roman?
Yeah, it was like.
Yeah, exactly like that.